Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a professional, student, or home user, you can always benefit from productivity tools that can help you achieve your goals. Microsoft Office holds significant importance in both professional and personal environments due to its comprehensive suite of productivity applications. It includes essential tools like Word for word processing, Excel for spreadsheets, PowerPoint for presentations, and Outlook for email management, which are widely used in businesses, schools, and homes around the world. In this video, I will give you how to get Microsoft Office legally and a coupon code to download and install Microsoft Office on your Windows or Mac computer for a lifetime. Now, you don't need to worry about getting a Microsoft Office license anymore, because in this video, I will discuss it, and this is the right place for you. Well, then I have just a website for you. You can get cheap and reliable keys for a fraction of the price and an even bigger discount by using my coupon code on keysfan.com. I have personally always struggled with finding a legit and reliable website. If you want to download and get Microsoft Office at a low price, KeyFan is the solution. If you watch this video, I will give you a Microsoft Office coupon code. If you are a Mac user, you can get lifetime access to Microsoft Office 2019 Home and Business for Mac for only $44 with my coupon code. Add to cart Microsoft Office 2019 Home and Business for Mac. Then enter my coupon code ISO62. Then you will get a 62% discount for this Microsoft Office. But if you are a Windows user, I also give you my coupon code for Microsoft Office Professional 2021 for Windows is available for the low one-time purchase price. Don't forget to use 62% off coupon code ISO62 before you make the payment. Upon purchase, you'll receive license keys and download links to install and use your new apps right away. Please compare it with the price in any store. This is the best solution for those of you who want to get Microsoft Office at a cheap price legally and with a guarantee. I will also give you a coupon code for purchasing Windows. You can check the link in the description for more details. Not only that, you can also get cheap prices to purchase all software, including games, tools, editing tools, antivirus, or your other computer needs. You don't need to worry. KeysFan is an online store that allows you to buy software licenses at cheaper prices legally. This avoids having to resort to any type of activator and prevents malware. You can see the review on Trustpilot. The license you buy will be guaranteed, legal, refunds guarantee, and 24 hours online customer service are supported at KeysFan. If the key is invalid, the money can be returned. I have reviewed several KeyFan websites. You can check some of my videos and they are 100% satisfactory because they are legal and original. There is no fear of any loss caused by purchasing on KeysFan. Welcome. Please enjoy your purchasing by keysfan.com. You can see a special price on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.